Alright, what's up guys? In this video we're going to pick up with some calculus here. This is going to be another integration practice video of our integration practice series. This is going to be example number 36 of the series. So we'll continue with it here. Alright, so let's get started. So I got a definite integral. It's going to be from 1/3 to 1/2. We got 10 raised to the 1 over x all divided by x squared dx. That's what we're going to integrate here. So I think the best thing to do here would be just a u substitution. It's probably a good place to start. The best selection for u here, obviously, is just 1 over x. We need to differentiate 1 over x. Remember, the derivative of 1 over x is negative 1 over x squared. Don't forget to multiply by dx. Then we need to solve for the dx part. And if we do that, we'll simply get negative x squared du is equal to dx. And we know we're going to have to change the limits of integration since we're doing a u substitution. What's going to happen is the x squareds are going to cancel, but it is going to leave us with a negative, which we'll just bring to the side. So this just becomes negative 10u, or negative 10 raised to the u du. Let's change the limits. So remember that u was 1 over x. So all we have to do is substitute in 1/3 and a 1/2 for x to get the new limits. So when we sub in a 1/3, we'll have 1 divided by 1/3, which is just 3. And so that'll be the lower limit. And if we substitute in a 1/2, we'll have 1 divided by 1/2, which is just 2. And so it'll be from 3 to 2, and we're asked to integrate negative 10 raised to the u du. So again, that's just another gen-based integral. Remember, if I have the integral of b raised to the x dx, that's just going to be b raised to the x, all divided by ln of b plus c. Remember the restrictions on this formula, that b needs to be greater than 0, and b cannot equal positive 1. Because ln of 1 is 0, and we'll have division by 0, which is undefined. So keep those restrictions in mind. So with all that being said, we'll go ahead and compute our antiderivative here. So our antiderivative in this case will be negative 10 raised to the u all over ln of 10. Evaluate it from 3 to positive 2. Okay. So it looks like we'll get negative 100 over ln of 10, because 10 squared is 100. Then we'll have minus, it looks like we'll have negative 1000 over ln of 10, because 10 cubed is 1000. So obviously this just changes to a plus sign, and so this is just going to give us 900 over ln of 10, and we can check that just to make sure, but I pretty much know it's the answer, but we're going to check it just to make sure. So it's going to be negative 100 plus 1000, which is obviously 900 as I mentioned, and ln of 10 is left alone. So therefore, for our final answer here, we're asked to integrate the definite integral from 1 to 3, from 1 to 3 to 1/2, 10 raised to the x all over 1 over x divided by x squared dx, and our answer to this integral will be positive 900 over ln of 10. That's your solution. Okay, so that was integration practice video number 36, example number 36. So obviously, you can reach out to me at any time if there was anything done that you didn't understand. Alright guys, I'll see y'all next time.